Have you been looking for a performance SUV with styling that won't break the bank? We'll take a look at this 2023 Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio in Volcano Black. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, gloss red brake calipers, adaptive cruise control with full stop, dark exhaust tips, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 1,000 miles on the odometer, 8.8-inch touchscreen, navigation, Alpha DNA Pro drive modes, heated rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.9-liter V6 twin-turbo engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7114A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.